The DJI Osmo Action 7 is starting to build attention in the creator space, but the most accurate way to approach it is not through isolated rumors or exaggerated leak breakdowns. A more grounded understanding comes from studying DJI's long-term product rhythm, how the Osmo Action line has evolved over time, and what kinds of upgrades typically survive from one generation to the next. Seen through that lens, the DJI Osmo Action 7 looks like a continuation of an already mature system rather than a sudden reinvention. The most reliable clue for predicting the DJI Osmo Action 7 is DJI's release history. Over the years, the Osmo Action series has gradually settled into a fairly consistent upgrade cycle. The original model arrived in 2019, followed by a major shift in cadence as DJI refined its strategy. The Action 2 came in 2021, Action 3 in 2022, Action 4 in 2023, and Action 5 Pro in 2024. The Action 6 followed in 2025, continuing the near-annual refresh pattern, although with slightly more variation in timing compared to earlier generations. This evolving rhythm suggests that DJI is no longer strictly bound to a fixed release schedule. Instead, launch timing now appears to depend more on internal development readiness, seasonal demand, and competitive positioning. Even so, the broader pattern remains clear: DJI consistently updates the Osmo Action line roughly once per year. Based on that behavior, the DJI Osmo Action 7 most likely falls into a late 2026 launch window, with the September to November period standing out as the most realistic range. October remains a particularly strong candidate given DJI's growing tendency to target peak buying seasons. While timing can be estimated with some confidence, external factors, especially regulatory and market conditions, add a layer of uncertainty in certain regions. Recent discussions around FCC oversight and broader scrutiny of major Chinese tech brands have raised questions about how future DJI products may be introduced in markets like the United States. Although these concerns are primarily directed at drone and aerial systems, the wider regulatory environment can still influence how the company operates as a whole. It is important to separate perception from classification. The DJI Osmo Action 7 is not a drone-related product and does not fall under restricted aviation categories. It is a standalone imaging device designed for ground-based capture. As such, there is no direct regulatory barrier preventing its release or use in the US market. However, when a company is under increased scrutiny, indirect effects can still occur, such as longer certification timelines, additional documentation requirements, or more cautious retail rollout strategies. This means the DJI Osmo Action 7 would likely launch globally without issue, but regional availability timing could still vary depending on regulatory interpretation and administrative processes. Beyond timing and market context, the more important discussion is how the DJI Osmo Action 7 is expected to evolve technically. Based on DJI's recent direction, major generational updates in the action camera segment are becoming less about radical redesigns and more about refinement of imaging pipelines, computational processing, and real-world usability. At the core of the DJI Osmo Action 7 is expected to be a continuation of a large CMOS sensor platform, likely around the 1/1.1 inch class. Rather than focusing on a dramatic resolution increase, the emphasis is expected to shift toward improving readout speed and overall efficiency. Faster sensor readout plays a critical role in reducing motion artifacts, improving HDR handling, and enabling cleaner high frame rate recording. In practical use, these improvements often matter more than raw megapixel increases, especially in fast-moving action environments. Another expected continuation is variable aperture technology, which has become one of DJI's more distinctive advantages in the action camera segment. A likely aperture range around f2 to f4 would allow the DJI Osmo Action 7 to adapt more effectively to changing light conditions without relying heavily on digital correction. It also introduces more creative flexibility, giving users better control over exposure behavior in both bright outdoor scenes and lower light environments. Image quality improvements are also expected to focus on dynamic range and tonal consistency. While exact figures remain speculative, discussions around the DJI Osmo Action 7 often suggest potential improvements into the mid-teens in dynamic range performance. If achieved, this would enhance highlight preservation in bright conditions and improve shadow detail recovery in challenging lighting. For action creators working in unpredictable environments, such improvements directly translate into more usable footage with less post-processing compromise. Video capabilities remain a central point of interest, but expectations should be viewed realistically. There is ongoing speculation about 8K recording support, potentially extending to higher frame rates under ideal conditions. While this would position the DJI Osmo Action 7 at the upper end of the action camera market, it also introduces challenges related to heat management, processing load, and power efficiency. Alongside this, high frame rate 4K recording potentially up to 240 FPS is expected to remain a key feature, continuing DJI's strong focus on slow motion performance for action-heavy content. Lens and computational processing improvements are also expected, particularly in how the camera handles distortion correction and edge sharpness. Instead of changing the inherently wide-angle nature of the system, DJI is likely to refine software-based image correction to produce a more natural and consistent look across the frame. This helps reduce the exaggerated warping often seen at the edges of ultra-wide action camera footage while preserving the immersive perspective users expect. Pricing for the DJI Osmo Action 7 is expected to follow DJI's established strategy of gradual, controlled adjustments rather than large jumps between generations. Historically, DJI has kept its action cameras within a stable mid-range bracket, adjusting price mainly through bundle configuration rather than core product inflation. Based on this pattern, the DJI Osmo Action 7 is likely to launch within a similar range to its predecessor. In the end, the DJI Osmo Action 7 reflects DJI's broader strategy in the action camera space, steady evolution driven by practical improvements rather than dramatic reinvention. Each generation builds carefully on the last, ensuring the system remains competitive while continuing to push forward in small but meaningful steps that matter in real-world use.